Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 1. De feci Aeneidae quae proxima littora cursu contendunt Petere et Libyae vertuntur ad horas, est in sequessu longo locus insula potum efficit objectu laterum, quibus omni sabalto frangitur in quae sanus scindit sesse unda reductos. The very tired Aeneadae. Aeneadae is a unique word we have not seen before. As you can see, it looks very much like Aeneas, because it just means the followers of Aeneas, the friends, companions, people with Aeneas. You can translate it as Aeneadae as it appears, or you can translate it as companions of Aeneas. So the very tired Aeneadae strive to seek the shores which are nearest on their course, and they are turned towards the shores of Libya. There is a place in the deepest seclusion, in a deep inlet. In a deep inlet is the best way to translate this. So there is a place in a deep inlet. The island creates a harbor with a projection of its sides, by which every wave from the deep is broken, and it cuts itself into remote bays. So what happened before this passage? It was Neptune calming the storm, but Aeneas and the followers of Aeneas are all very tired and distraught and probably injured and just morally wounded. They're all knocked down, they're exhausted, defeci, they're exhausted. So they're going to seek the shores which are nearest, quae proxima. You can imagine that there's an implied sunt here. They seek the shores which are nearest on their course, because they're just trying to reach the nearest land so they can recover and, recuperate and just get some strength and rest off of the sea. And they are turned towards the shores of Libya. So you know who's in Libya? Queen Dido and Carthage. So they're turned towards the shores of Libya. And now we go into there is a place, or the place is, in a long inlet, in a deep inlet. An island or the island makes a harbor by a projection of its sides. So the island's in a big harbor, or there's a big harbor on the island where Aeneas and the followers land, by which every wave from the sea is broken and it cuts itself into remote bays.